So here is my problem today. The entire bottom rack has been stolen. I wonder where it went.
Stop the truck!
Is that your new truck? Aww. Is he bothering you? Does he not want you to play with your truck? It's a car? I'm sorry. I got it wrong.
I told you to not put that truck.
Mm-hmm. Now, how am I supposed to get it back so that I can finish loading the dishes? Can I have it back? Can I have it back, please? Can you put it back? Maybe you want to put it back. You want to put it back? No? No. It's in my bedroom. Okay, well, I'm gonna go because this is gonna be very difficult. All right.